In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in Card. If you're looking to drop a song, a podcast episode, or a mix onto your Card site, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it so it plays reliably for your visitors. Start by opening your Card dashboard and launching the site you want to edit. Once you're in the builder, look toward the top toolbar and click the plus icon. That's how you add new elements to your page. From the element menu that appears, choose Audio. Card will open a settings panel with a URL field. That's where your tracks link goes. Paste the URL to the audio you want to embed. Card accepts links from several popular services, including Audiomack, Bandcamp, Google Drive, Mixcloud, and SoundCloud. A quick tip here: use the public or shareable link for the best results. For example, with Google Drive, make sure the file is set to anyone with the link so Card can load it. With services like SoundCloud or Mixcloud, a standard track or playlist URL works well. As soon as you add a supported URL, Card will generate the embedded player and you'll see a preview right in the editor. This preview is useful for checking that the right track loaded and that the player style is what you expect. If nothing shows up, double check that the link is public and points to a single track or playlist, not a private or unpublished item. When the preview looks good, click Done to confirm and place the audio element on your page. That's it. Your audio is now part of your Card site. Before you wrap up, give it a quick test in the editor's preview mode to make sure it starts, pauses, and scrubs correctly. A few final tips. Keep file sizes reasonable for faster loading. Use clear titles on the hosting platform so your player looks professional, and avoid relying on autoplay since many browsers block it. You're all set to enhance your page with sound.